Hello guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025. This time we're going to talk about Microsoft Excel, about how to how to highlight and remove duplicate. Okay, it's pretty easy. First of all, I have a bunch of data, a bunch of names. If you want to highlight which of this data that has duplicate, there's a very easy way to do this. First, select home and then conditional formatting, and then select color scales. You could select more rules here, and then you could select format only unique or duplicate value. Select if you want to select duplicate or the one with uniques, and then line it with whatever you want, yellow fill this example, and then okay. Yeah, we'll see Zoyan, Gojia, maybe Gojia here, Panjilian. Okay, there is one way to do it, but if you want to do like, okay, this triplicate, it is only two. If you want to only sign those that have not duplicate but triplicate, that means only three of the same thing, you could do this. First, we need to make a formula here. COUNTIF this thing, lock it up, and then select this. Okay, this means I'm going to count how much E1 it's count in these all names. Chow Chow is only have one count, so yeah, that's the data. Then we copy this, and then block the Chow Chow thing and do conditional formatting. So manage rule, go into the rule and make a new rule here. Use the formula to demand with sort. Okay, this we put this, but we plus equal 3. That means it's only signs 3. If it's true, now we can copy paste it and paste on not formula but formatting. Transfer. Okay. Only Zoyan, Panjilian that are highlighted because they have triple. You could also put global 2 in here. Same thing we do. Sorry about that. Let's copy paste this formula and put a new order here and put 2 here. It will highlight the one have to duplicate with a different color, maybe like yellowish. Put it below. The 3 is always higher than 2, so if we meet 3, and maybe another formula for larger than 3 if we have it with bright blue. And enough. So if we found +4, it stopped. Then +3 and then 2, and apply it. This is highlighting 2 duplicate and this is 3 duplicate. We could put Zoyan more and see things fancy here, and it's gonna be like blue. That's how you highlight it. But now, but if we don't want to highlight it, we want to remove all the duplicates. It's very simple. Block this thing. don't know if I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. Block this thing. And then you see here home. And there is also review, I think. No, data. And we have this button here, remove duplicate. And then yeah, column A, B, C, D, E, F. Just remove all the duplicate. No duplicate. Okay. Not like that. It seems. This is only work for column. Okay. Rows, not for column, not for this. So wait. Okay, I'll make a formula here. I'm gonna plan too, but yeah, this is the formula to remove these duplicate things to become like this. How? Okay. There is actually only 3 formula first. No, not 3, but 4. This is the first formula. You just say it to the A1 because there's no way it's duplicate because it's the first time. Second is the most top one, beside the most left one, top right. It's like this formula: count if A1, A1, B1. It means we're gonna check if Wojing is the same with the last one. If Sima Zhao have a similar number. If Sima Zhao has any other instance, you know, it's 0, 0. Because there's, if I say Wojing is here, it's gonna be gone, right? Because Wojing count 1 here, so it's become plus, it's gonna count 1 and 1 not equal 0, so it's gone. The second formula is to check count if this thing Liu Bei for the top one. We're gonna copy paste the formula here down. Make sure you do the right locking. See, the lock is in this A1 lock. F, you lock only the F only. So when you copy paste, it's gonna become F2, F3, F4, but it's still A1. See, F2, F3, F4. So in this context, we're gonna Liu Bei. Is there any the same thing with the upper one? Sun Quan have the same thing as the upper one, and so is Song Juan. And lastly is this blank guy, it's Zoyun. Zoyun already show up here 3 times, so it's gone. Next is this part. It's combination between this function, this formula, and this formula. So yeah, plus this A1, A2, B2 is this formula up here, and count if A1, F, B2 is this formula. Plus, if we sum it up, this and this must be equal 0 to make it has no duplicate. So yeah, this is the function. I will copy paste maybe in the description, but yeah, that's it. That's if you want to remove the duplicate. Next is the very easy one. If the formula you want to do is by row, I mean, it's very easy. Just the same conditional formatting here. Now if let's do, okay, let's copy paste. Make sure what column you want to use. This will be column B. So everything has the same column B. Get this. Okay. But if you want to depend on more than one column, you could use COUNTIF like this. And use EFS. So only if this and this has duplicate. You can also do that. Just use these method rules. Do this. only have way and 3k, way and 3k. Does the other not? And to remove the duplicates now, you could use this. As I said before, data, remove duplicate. What duplicate column you want to remove? Example is B. Everything in B will be gone that has duplicate. Or if you want to remove duplicate by column B and C, you want, right? Or if you want only to remove column C. That's how it works. Next, how about if you want to remove column same is by column B here, but by score, you want to remove you want to take only the second best. For example, you need to sort this by column B and then number random. You only want to take this second best. You could rank it like if let's plus this, if B2 and B1 is the same, then you could use it to +1, else it's only 1. So we could rank it after you sort it, and you could just filter it out, It's only the second best. Yeah, that is number 2. Example. Something like that. Okay, I think that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.